Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all about this new Buttercup Flower in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this new update, they have replaced the Orange Tulip with this new seed called Buttercup Seed, and you can buy the seed from the seed shop with 600 shackles. This one. Okay, and basically guys, this flower is like the orange tulip flower. Okay, this is the flower. I have already collected this flower from my garden, and I'm going to plant one more buttercup seed, and it can grow fast as you can see. Okay, and you can only harvest this flower once, just like the orange tulip. And yeah, we can immediately harvest it or collect it. Okay, it's not multi-harvest plant or crop. And I'm going to show you the base value. I'm going to sell this flower. Okay, and yeah, it's not that special, but you can try to plant this flower on your garden because it looks cute. Okay guys, and that's all about the new Buttercup Flower in Grow Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!